Good morning students. As we have completed 6 question answer of chapter 2nd, okay. So 7th question you have to do yourself. I am explaining question number 8, okay. So see the question. Question 8 is, what are oral traditions? Why do they form an important part of our non-material heritage? Okay, what are oral tradition and why they are an important part of our non-material heritage? Okay, so the answer is ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ नॉलेज. ट्रांसमिशन मीन्स ट्रांसफर होना. ओके, एक से दूसरे तक किसी नॉलेज का, किसी बात का पहुंचना. दैट इज ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ नॉलेज फ्रॉम वन जनरेशन टू अनदर वर्बली इज डन बाय ओरल ट्रेडिशन. कि वर्बली हमें कोई भी हमारे कस्टम्स, ट्रेडिशंस जो पता चलते हैं फैमिली के, तो वो एक जनरेशन से दूसरी जनरेशन में पास होते हैं. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड ओरल ट्रेडिशन. ओके, सो ओरल ट्रेडिशन इज ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ नॉलेज फ्रॉम वन जनरेशन टू अनदर verbally is done by oral traditions. Okay, so why they are important? They are known to pass stories. क्या चीज़ें पता चलती है? ये इम्पोर्टेंट है क्योंकि इससे हमें पास्ट की स्टोरी पता चलती है. नॉलेज ऑफ रिचुअल्स, हमारे जो रीति रिवाज है उनके बारे में. एंड मेडिसिन्स. ओके, सो ट्रेडिशनली जो मेडिसिन यूज़ की जाती थी, अबाउट दैम ऑल्सो वी केम टू नो. ओके, so transmission of knowledge from one generation to another verbally is done by oral tradition. They are known to pass stories, knowledge of ritual, medicine, etc. Question number next. What are folk dance? How are they related to various events in everyday life of people? Okay, what are folk dance? How they are related to various events in everyday life of people. So folk dance performed by the local people, okay, and don't need any formal training are known as folk dance. Dance performed by the local people and don't need any formal training are known as folk dance. सो फोक डांस कौन से होते हैं? जो कि लोकल लोग हैं उनके द्वारा ही परफॉर्म किए जाते हैं एंड उसमें कोई भी फॉर्मल स्पेशल ट्रेनिंग लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. वो अपने फ्रेंड से, फैमिली में रह के ही वो चीज़ें सीख जाते हैं. ओके, सो दे आर परफॉर्म्ड ऑन ओकेजन लाइक मैरिज, हार्वेस्ट, ओके, एंड टू स्प्रेड सोशल मैसेज एक्सेट्रा. So when they are performed on occasion like marriage, childbirth, harvest, to spread social messages, etc. Okay, so folk dance are performed by the local people and don't need any formal training, are known as folk dance. They are performed on occasion like marriage, harvest, and to spread social messages. Next question we have is, why is drama known as performing art? ड्रामे को performing art क्यों बोला जाता है? What are the important aspects of drama? So drama is known as performing art because the actors perform different roles. जो एक्टर वो अलग अलग रोल प्ले करते हैं. It can be performed in theatre, on street and in village gathering. Okay, so drama is known as performing art because the actor perform different roles. जो एक्टर वो अलग अलग रोल प्ले करते हैं. It can be performed in theatre, on street and in village gathering. Okay, so this is about question number 10. Now there are some MCQs, multiple choice question. Okay, so look at the first question. Stories, dance, music, craft, from our dash heritage. So what? Material, non-material and both. So story, dance, music, craft from our non-material heritage. In material heritage, we include physical things, okay, things which are available in physical form, we can touch, see. But dance, story, music, craft, these are non-material heritage. Next question. The main character in Panchtantra stories are humans, animals and both. So the main character in Panchtantra stories are humans. So animals are the main character in Panchtantra stories. Next question. Kathakali means, what is the Kathakali meaning? Okay. So Kathakali means, option A is skit, puppet play and story play. Okay. So Kathakali means story play. Okay. Story play. Next is, a musical instrument used in folk music is dholak, veena and srod. So musical instrument used in folk music is veena and srod are the classical instrument, and dholak. So dholak is used in folk music. Dash is known as the father of medicine in India. Okay. So who is known as the father of medicine in India? Aryabhatta was a, we can say, politician and also economist. Sushruta and Charak. So Charak is, Sushruta was famous for surgery. He gave the concept of surgery, and Charak is known as the father of medicine. Okay. Charak is known as the father of medicine. Next is, the classical dance of Andhra Pradesh is Mohiniyattam, Kathakali, Kuchipudi. The classical dance of Andhra Pradesh is Mohiniyattam, Kathakali, Kuchipudi. So Andhra Pradesh classical dance is Kuchipudi. Okay, Kuchipudi. Next question is, the famous folk dance of Jammu and Kashmir is Tamsha, Rauf and Bihu. So Bihu belongs to Assam and Rauf belongs to Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. So B is the right answer. Gotipua is a famous folk dance of Assam, Bihar and Odisha. So it is Odisha. Okay. The main form of puppetry are string puppets, shadow puppets, and the third one is human puppets, glow puppets and glow. So B, glow puppets are the right answer. Okay. The main form of puppetry are string puppets, shadow puppets and glow puppets. Next question. Dash craft is famous in Northeast India. Dash craft is famous in Northeast India. So bamboo, metal and paper making. So what is the famous? Bamboo is famous in Northeast India. A is the right answer. Okay. So these are some multiple choice questions that we have completed. So write the answer of questions in your My Observation book part 1 and tick the right answer in these multiple choice question. Okay. So if you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you, students.